For this name game, you will need a ball of yarn or a roll of yarn. And the way it works is the first person will have the yarn and they'll hold the end of it. And they'll say, my name is Darian. And then they could describe something, like they could share their hobby, or they could share how they want to better their community, or whatever describing factors you would like to know. And then they throw the yarn, they hold one end, and then they throw the ball to a person across the circle. And then that person will catch it and just say their name and the descripting factors you want to know. And then they hold a piece of it and then throw the rest. And so it'll keep going across the circle and make this big web or spider web. And then after it's done, that could be the end, or you could have it go in reverse. Or it doesn't have to be reverse, it can even be to anybody else. And then instead of describing yourself, you have to say, my name, or you can say, you throw it to somebody and say, that person is Paul, and he then describe that person. And so either before the game or after the game, you can make an analogy talking about how we're all communally working together and that we're connected. And so someone else's desire to make the community better also affects you. And so it can have a moral message as well.